In today's video, I am going to teach you how to update tasks in Freshsales. If you are managing activities for leads or keeping your team aligned, updating tasks is a quick way to make sure everything stays current. In this tutorial, you will update key details, adjust the status, and save your changes so they are reflected right away. To begin, open Freshsales and look at the top of the screen. Find the search bar, then click it. Once the cursor is inside the search bar, you will use it to quickly locate the task you want to update. After that, click the Task tab. This ensures you are searching in the right place, so you do not accidentally pull up unrelated items. Next, search for the task. Enter the appropriate search term or keywords in the search bar. Take a moment to confirm that the results you see are the task items, not other records. When you see the task you need, click the specific task to open it. This action will bring up the Details panel, which is where you will make edits. Now that the Details panel is open, review the information you want to update. The Details panel is the place where Freshsales shows the task information in an easy-to-edit format. Look for the fields that are relevant to your update. In particular, you will edit the title and the due date. Adjust the title to match what you need the task to represent, such as the correct description of the follow-up. Then update the due date if the timeline has changed, so the task remains accurate and actionable. As you make these changes, move carefully through each field. Make sure the title you enter is clear and specific, because it is what you and your team will see later. Also confirm the due date you set is the correct date. If you are using a date picker, select the correct date and watch for the field to update as soon as you pick it. After updating the title and due date, you may also need to adjust the status. The status is important because it shows whether the task is still in progress, completed, or in another state. To update the status, look for the completion checkbox and the status option. If the task is done, click the checkbox to mark it as completed. This provides a straightforward way to indicate that the work is finished. If the task is not completed, or if your workflow uses multiple status options, you can select a new status from the drop-down menu. Open the drop-down and choose the status that best matches the current situation. For example, if a task is waiting on something or currently being worked on, selecting the correct status helps maintain an accurate view of progress across your pipeline and team activities. Once you have finished updating the fields, take a quick moment to double-check your changes. Confirm that the title looks correct, the due date is set properly, and the status reflects what you intended. This short review helps prevent mistakes before saving. Finally, close the panel to save your changes. When you close it, Freshsales will apply the updates, so they are stored and visible going forward. If the interface prompts you in any way, follow the on-screen confirmation, but the key action is to close the Details panel after your edits. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.